Greetings, my brother. This is a trending news that is making wave on the internet. The Npp Aspirants are calling for unity among the leaders, among the party members ahead of 2028 general election. You see, the Npp internal tension that is happening is disturbing them. And as we speak now, political activities beginning to heat up ahead of 2028 election. As several aspirant leaders of the new Patriotic Party are calling for unity among members, particularly in the Ashanti region, my brother. They are stronghold. That is the reason why they are calling for unity. And you see, the party executive believes that internal division could affect the Npp chance in future election. Do you think that what they are saying is true? Do you believe that the internal tension that is happening is going to affect the future election? Political analysts are saying that the party managing its internal affairs over the coming months could shaping Ghana's political landscape ahead of 2028 election. That is what political analysts are also saying. Now, my question is that, do you think that the Npp can unite themselves? Do you think they can unite? Do you think they can come together? Looking at how things are happening in the party, do you think, if you want details of this thing, this story, you can get that in City TV and also in Northern Ghana. Thank you for watching Short 360 Media GH. If you enjoyed the update, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe for more valid trending news from Ghana and across the world. Turn on the notification and also never miss any trending stories. My name has always been Chris, aka with all due respect. This nonsense must stop. I want to see you in the next video. I'm out.